Did you know that ice cream can actually boost your mood? Research shows that the sugar and fat in ice cream trigger the release of feel-good chemicals in your brain. Ice cream is one of the most beloved treats worldwide, with a huge variety of flavors and textures to choose from. We often hear that it's bad for us, but is that really true? Let's dive into the world of ice cream and find out if it's really good for you. Ice cream is typically made from cream, sugar, and flavorings. It's high in calories, sugar, and fat, which can be a concern for those watching their diet. A single serving of ice cream can range from 150 to 300 calories, depending on the type and brand. The high sugar content in ice cream can be a drawback, especially for those with dietary restrictions or preferences. Consuming high amounts of added sugars has been linked to various health issues, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and tooth decay. On the other hand, ice cream does contain some nutrients like calcium, protein, and vitamins. Calcium is essential for bone health, while protein can help with muscle growth and repair. However, it's essential to consider the quality of the ingredients used in ice cream. Some brands may use artificial flavorings, preservatives, or low-quality milk, which can negatively impact its nutritional value. Enjoying ice cream in moderation is key to making it a part of a balanced diet. A small serving every now and then can be a nice treat without causing harm. The psychological benefits of indulging in ice cream shouldn't be underestimated either. It can bring joy and comfort, which are essential for our mental well-being. In fact, denying ourselves treats like ice cream can lead to feelings of deprivation, which might cause us to crave them even more. By allowing ourselves to enjoy ice cream in moderation, we can satisfy our cravings and maintain a healthier relationship with food. Moderation is crucial, but what does that really mean? For most people, it's about being mindful of portion sizes and not overindulging. It's also about balancing our diet with a variety of whole foods, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. According to experts, a balanced diet that includes some indulgences like ice cream can be a sustainable and enjoyable way to maintain good health. Many nutritionists agree that it's the overall quality of the diet that matters, rather than the presence of a single food item. Ice cream can be part of a healthy diet if consumed in moderation, says a registered dietitian. It's all about balance and being mindful of your overall sugar and calorie intake. In conclusion, ice cream can be enjoyed as part of a healthy lifestyle when consumed in moderation. It's all about being mindful of the ingredients, portion sizes, and overall diet quality. If you're an ice cream lover, don't feel guilty about indulging in your favorite flavors. Just be sure to balance it out with a healthy diet and regular exercise. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in more health-related discussions, be sure to check out our next video.